In number 10, we're given the equation of a line in vector form, and we want to figure out some things about that line. Part A, a line perpendicular to L. Well, perpendicular means it has the opposite direction vector. We know a shortcut, okay, for M, in a direction of 3, 5. It's perpendicular, we learned about last year, is you can swap the order and change one value. Okay, so if I want something perpendicular and going to the point 2, 0, my value, my point is 2, 0, and my direction would be 5, negative 3. Remember, you could have also chosen to swap the other value, so it could have been negative 5 and 3. That's also acceptable there. Okay. In part B, the point at which the line in part A intersects the y-axis. Let's think about this for a second. My line is going to cross the y-axis at some point, 0 and B. Hopefully you would agree with that. Well, that means that I can use my parametric equations, my thoughts here, and solve for the parameter. I know that x has to be 2 plus 5t. I know that y has to be 0 minus 3t. I know for sure when I hit the y-axis, I'm hitting it at 0 and something. My x value has to be 0. So I can fill that in. I know I can. And I can solve this for t. So negative 2/5 is t. Because it's a parameter, something has to exist for all the points on this line, I can then use that in my other equation as t. So my y value has to be 0 minus 3 times negative 2/5. Or in other words, 6/5. I have to be hitting this point at 0 and 6/5. Okay, by using the idea of a parameter that can be solved. And I already know something about that y-intercept. It has to have a 0 in it.